Hey, what's up guys? We got another actually altcoin trading video for you today. We're going to pick one on crypto market cap, and we've organized it according to, I chose to do it by price this time. And obviously Bitcoin's number one, probably will be for a long time, but we've got them all organized here in, it'd be cool to do Axie Infinity sometime. Let's do one of the larger caps. It's really crazy that Yearn Finance is like 17,000. I've barely even heard of it. How is that possible? Look at this volume. Look at the market cap. It's tiny. Why is it so expensive? Anyway, we're going to pick one of these. Maker's always fun, but I kind of want to go with one that I don't know. Yeah, these are all compound, of course. Kusama. I've heard of Elrond. I've traded Aave before. Monero would be an interesting one. Alright, let's trade Kusama today. So let's go to KSM. Let's go with the Binance chart. And that's looking like kind of good right there. It's debatable. Yeah, alright. And what we're going to do on the practice document here, we're going to total up our wins, total up our losses, do the win-loss ratio, trying to get at least 4 to 1. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I don't. We're going to figure out the per day average for those trades. This is the win-loss percentage. And we're going to figure out realistically if you replicated this level of success 1 year. Let me reset my timer here. I've got some stuff I'm watching. Yeah, figure out how much you'd make in a year. So we're doing Kusama. Never looked at these charts. Never traded this. And we're gonna go somewhere in the past. Oh yeah, we got a 1 hour KSM. Yup. Alright. And let's just go somewhere in the past. We're on the 1 hour chart. Let's go like here. Alright. On a pretty big downswing here. Yep, under the 200 moving average. This does look like we're maybe about to get a correction. And we're going to trade now. Alright, cool. Let's see if it bounces off of the green line, which I think is the 100 moving average, or I think it's the 20. Yep, did go up. Maybe I should have went for it. Screw it. We'll put the stop loss there, and we'll go for that. Alright. Yeah. That's kind of over. That was a flash in the pan. So that's 7.5. 75% win. 0.75% win. Trying to get a 4 to 1 ratio. Do we bounce? Yes. It did break above the previous. Let's do the green as the stop loss and go for one more. Same. Alright, well that didn't work. This green level was there. Yeah, we got stopped out. Alright, so that's not good. ADX really wasn't looking very good, so starting off with kind of a bad one. But on these altcoins, you get these huge swings, so even though 2.75% would be big, a lot of times it's not that big for an altcoin. Alright, let's go for there. Middle line stop loss. See? Yeah, so the middle line was there. I don't think that got stopped out. Also, when I actually place stop losses when I trade, I usually do like $1 extra because it rarely bounces exactly against what you're trying to do. So I think that's successful. Yeah, we'll get out there. 194. Alright, so we're almost in profit. See, I would let this ride if it wasn't for the fact that it stopped right there. That's pretty suspicious. Should have done it. This was a red, green, red. Less volume, more result. See if it does it again. Huh. We do have a MACD cross. Actually, it was on the last candle, but yeah. Alright. We're going here for the stop loss. This is gigantic. Yes! Yes! 3%! Actually 299. We'll be precise here. Yes! The other thing about this, when you're actually trading, you can feel momentum. Yeah. You can feel momentum, so sometimes I would actually make more profit if I did this. I'm going to let it ride one more time. Alright. One more time. There we go. When I say let it ride, it means actually not stop it. See, this is replicating, what I'm actually trying to do is replicate what trading this would be like. And you kind of make the decision right before the candle close or right after, somewhere in there. And this was so solid and the volume was clearly uptrending. It just felt like there's at least one more push. This will probably go down again. Yeah. Okay, maybe not. Well, that's why we got out. You don't want to go crazy. I bet this goes up. Yeah. But I've gotten burnt on those before. This was uptrending volume, oscillator changed. We're getting a MACD cross somewhere in there. Plus it was above the line. But I don't know, you gotta be cautious about these things. Okay. Yeah. One more down. Nope. We're going back. Alright. This is pretty solid. This is like what you want. Yeah, and it broke through a level of support. Man, these numbers are huge. This blue line is the volume weighted average price, VWAP. We're going to go for that. One more. Alright, we're getting out there. See, as an example, this went up 3%. So if I saw it go up 3% and then it just kept going down, because in real time, these, go up and down. This would have spiked. It bounced off of this and spiked. I probably would have gotten out somewhere in the middle, but we're going to be real conservative. Let's say, actually, I would have sold like probably when they reached, at the very least, when it reached the top of these, because that's a key level. But we're going to say only 3%, because we're just going to be ridiculously cautious. This goes up again. Alright. the rationale here, this long upper wick should be predicting downward movement, especially with the big volume, bigger than the previous. But a little bit of volume defied that. So let's just go like there. We're risking 2% for that much. See if the ADX is better. I would let this ride, and it may be worth letting it ride anyway. But 125 is not bad. We're already like 4 to 1. Yeah, okay. And that's why you gotta be cautious. And I'm just not feeling the love anymore. Yup. Yeah, oscillator's not looking good. This will probably go up, but it might not break through this line. In fact, it really might not break through. If we go below the green line without a tail like that, I would have gone down here, probably. See what this actually did. Alright, so went down, bounced off of this, bounced off of that, probably went to there, bounced off of that, probably went to there. Let's just see like a tiny... How much is it to this? We could risk 1% for that. I don't know, I'm not going to do it. Yeah. Okay. Just wasn't quite good enough. Alright, this is a little interesting. Broke through this line. I think that's the 100 moving average. I think that's the 20. Ugh. Increasing volume. New oscillator color. I would have liked it if this was closer. Don't know what the MACD is doing here. I'm not going for it. Will it break out? Nope. Probably not. Okay. It was going to break out, but that was super iffy. You want to avoid that. Just saying. It's giving me heartburn. Alright. I would say this isn't enough. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. Maybe this will go up. Oh man. If it goes up after this, that's pretty big. And it didn't. There's a lot of if-then statements in trading. I could see this going down, but maybe I should have went for it. I don't know. Things are pretty wild right now. Yep, that's a gigantic candle. Did it go to... Didn't quite break that. This kind of did. It's sort of sloping down. That's going to make the ADX look pretty good. Did break through a line. Let's go Fibonacci. Let's like do that. Maybe it's... Yeah. Let's go for that fib. Let's actually measure what this is though. Alright, I'm going for half of that fib. And down. Okay. Got real close there. Yeah, I don't know. It's really debatable. It looks to me like it's a little below. Yeah, I don't know. I'm really iffy on that. I think I'm just going to not count. This is like 50-50. I'm just going to not count that profit. Because I'm not sure if it hit my level or not. Down again. Alright. Yeah, okay. Nah, we're not doing it. Alright, going down. Nope. Alright. Kind of did break through some stuff. If this was higher than that, that'd be a little more. Let's go middle line to here. Alright, that got stopped out. So, yeah, like 110-ish. Need another good win. Got to keep the ratio good. Okay, that's increasing. This is pointing up. Let's do it. Middle line to there. Yes! Middle line was there. That did not quite touch it, but it did touch my level. Alright. Yeah, I'm maybe doing a trade in real life here. Alright, we're gonna pause. It will pause. Alright, we're just gonna keep going with that. Got a trade placed, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we've got a little bit of an uptrend here. We're gonna get another big spike down. No. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not looking extremely good here. Nope. Here, oh man, why do we get in these big tails like this? Ooh. Yeah, look at this. That's pretty strange. Okay, so that sort of defied that. Is that a MACD cross? Yeah. I don't know, I feel like this is pretty good. Let's see what happens halfway into there. Yeah. Oh man, it didn't quite make it. I bet I would have gotten like 1% of that. Alright, 7.2. We're gonna call that a day. We forgot to put the beginning date. I say this is 9/25. 9/25/21. And when do we think we started? You can probably look at the beginning. We were like there. Yeah. So this is approximately 9, 7, 22, 21. Alright, so the win-loss ratio on this is going to be over 3, which is okay. This was 26, 7, 19 days. This is kind of not that good an average, honestly. Yeah. The accuracy is pretty good, but the longer time frames just make the amount per day tend to be smaller. Alright, so win percentage. What's 1 year? Alright, so let's see here. 4284. Please work. We're really just gonna... Alright, I'm gonna do it on a calculator app here. So 4284 divided by 2. I use 3x leverage. That's 6426. Hopefully the compound interest calculator will work. 6426. Actually, it's 0.6426 daily. Yeah. So that is multiplying your money by almost 10, which in any kind of traditional investment would be unbelievably amazing. But crypto can yield so much more. So that's about 100,000 a year. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. This was an adventure. Have a good one, guys.